name is Miss Nicole and I'm a children's librarian at the Central Library. Today we are going to show you how to make a balloon bop paddle for this month's Boredom Buster. All you need for this craft is a paper plate, a craft stick, some tape, I have my neon green tape, and a balloon. Now you can decorate your paper plate with whatever you'd like. You can use stickers, markers, whatever you have on hand. Once it's decorated, all I'm going to do is take off a single piece of tape and I'm going to tape my stick to the back of my paper plate. And this will give me a nice paddle to hit my balloon with. Now if you don't have a craft stick, you can use anything that's kind of long and skinny. If you have a toilet paper roll or something like that, that could work too. Now all I need to do is see how many times I can bop a balloon into the air using this paddle. Thanks and join us again soon.